It's Wellington. Today I'm going to be covering this item, the battery cover of my Focus, in carbon fibre. So the first job was to clean all the dirt off. Let's get all the dust off of this, which I've done. Just let that dry. And then I've got some spray adhesive, which I'm going to spray onto there, leave on there for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to lay the carbon fibre over the top. So let's see how this goes. Laid the cloth, the spray glue on there now. So we've just got to leave that for a couple of seconds, and then we're going to lay the carbon fibre sheeting over the top. Okay, so the carbon fibre is now laid. Just got to push any little bits in that we've missed that you can use with your finger. And then what I've done is I've mixed some resin, and now we're going to cover that, and that'll give it its glossy finish. Do probably about 2 to 3 coats of that, and that'll just dry really nice on the top, so we'll see how it turns out.